All right, Jade, what do you have to say to all the people that are seeing you driving in your wedding dress right now?
I have the best husband in the entire world. I love him a lot.
Wow.
What is your favorite part about Aaron?
There's so many. Oh my gosh. Okay, besides that, he's like smoking. You're laughing at me. Okay, my favorite part about Aaron is probably just how hard he works at everything that he does. He always gives his full heart to everything, and I feel like that's one of my favorite parts about him, because I know going into our relationship, I never had to doubt that he was like all in with me, whether he just had a crush on me, or he liked me, or when he told me he loved me, or when he told me that he wanted to marry me. Like, I never had to doubt that, because he's just such a hard worker, and he just goes fully into everything that he does. He doesn't cut any corners, which is great, because I do that sometimes. And he's so funny, and he's so cute. I just love him so much.
What would you like to tell him 10 years from now?
What did I put down 10 years from now? Just for funsies. 10 years from now, I hope you have a dog and maybe a little catchling running around or something. I would tell him that you're doing great, that you're an amazing husband, and that even though there are ups and that there are downs, I am always here for you, that I will always, always, always love you with everything that I have, and you're so cute.